Find the sum of the infinite series 1/5 minus 2/15 plus 4 over 45 minus 8 over 135. So this is changing by a common difference, which has to be negative because it alternates from being negative to positive. So a is 1/5. The common ratio will be the second term divided by the first term. So that will be minus 2/15, which is the second term, divided by the first term, which is 1/15. So that's minus 2/15 times 5 over 1. 5 goes into 15 3 times and into 5 1 time. And that will give me minus 2/3. Now, if we're going to have an infinite series, r has to be between minus 1 and 1. So in this case, r is minus 2/3. So this will definitely converge. To find the sum to infinity, you just take the first term and divide it by 1 minus the common ratio. So the first term is 1/5, and we need to do 1 minus 2/3. So that's 1/5 of 1 plus 2/3. That's 1/5 divided by 5 over 3, which is 1/5 times 3 over 5, which will give an exact answer of 3 over 25. So this has been a video to show you how to find the sum to infinity of an infinite series which is geometric. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.